So coming to the fluid mosaic model of the plasma membrane, the lipid bilayer. The first thought was plasma membrane was just a lipid bilayer, which was originally proposed by Davison and Danieli in 1935. Then later, the fluid mosaic model was proposed by Singer and Nicolson in 1972. According to this model, every membrane has two sides. One is the extracellular side, that is the facing outside, and the other is the cytoplasmic side, that is the inner side. And as you already know, it is made up of carbohydrates, phospholipids, and certain proteins. So among the phospholipids, as you can see shown by this arrow, these are the phosphate heads, the polar groups. And then you have the non-polar tails, the phospholipid tails. We will be focusing more on the phospholipids coming to the fluid mosaic model. So the phospholipid head and the phospholipid tail. Then coming to the bilipid layer, there are two layers of lipids. If this is considered as the first layer, the upper layer, this is the lower layer. Upper layer is towards the extracellular side and the lower layer is towards the cytoplasmic side. As you can see, the upper layer is mainly rich in the phospholipids containing choline, phosphatidylcholine, whereas the lower layer or inner layer is rich in ethanolamine or serine containing phospholipids, that is phosphatidylethanolamine or phosphatidylserine. Then each layer can be considered as a leaflet. So according to the fluid mosaic model, this head is made up of 1.1 nanometer thickness, whereas the tail is 1.5 nanometers in thickness. So each leaflet is roughly approximately 2.5 nanometers thickness. So 2.5 upper layer, 2.5 lower layer, 5 nanometers minimum thickness of membrane. And the middle gap, we can consider that as a 5 to 8 nanometer thick plasma membrane in the cell. Then within the plasma membrane, the movement is only on the lateral side, from side to side. This free lateral movement is called the fluidity of the membrane. Hence the name fluid mosaic model. The movement is only in the hydrophobic core, lateral wise. Whereas the movement from top to bottom or from bottom to top, that is the flip-flop movement, is usually restricted. But in cases of apoptosis, this flip-flop movement is seen.